Hello, this is Dave from Sloan Walker. Today we're going to look at how to set up a customer account and post a sales invoice onto VT transaction. So first of all, we're going to use the display a customer account. So it's the arrow and then the CU button. You click on that. We've got a couple of accounts already set up. So to set up a new account, click on this link there. Okay, so we're going to select the customer we've just set up, and we're through to the next section now. So if you want to make any adjustments to the customer account, if you just click on properties, so you right click and then press properties, you can add contact details, addresses, credit terms, VAT. But for now we're just going to leave it as a basic information. So enter a sales invoice. You've got two options. You can either enter a sales invoice, which is the SIN without the underline, and that's to enter a sales invoice from another system, e.g. a Word document. Or you can create a sales invoice using VT, and we'll do that on another day. So today we're going to create a sales invoice. So we click on SIN. We date it 31st of May. Enter your reference in as to what you've sold, and you enter £5,000 worth of sale. As there's VAT on it, we can select no VAT or 20%, and the analysis ledger you can select whatever it is, and this one is income and then sales. You click on save and close, and this has now posted a sales invoice to the customer account. You can see this person now owes us £5,000. Now that we've entered the sales invoice, we're going to record the money being received into the bank account. So once you go in and find the invoice that's been paid, in this case Mr. Blue has paid us £5,000, you'll notice there's no icons yet. As soon as you click the invoice that's been paid, you get a few options. So we now click a receipt. Enter a receipt against the selected entry, and now we're telling VT that this invoice has been paid. We'll enter it as today's date, £5,000, and the money's been banked into the current account. So click on save, back down to 0. So we'll enter another sales invoice. So we go back to enter sales invoice on SIN. We'll use today's date, and we're going to sell some more hats. So invoice number 3, this time a big sale, £10,000 VAT. Now it's remembered that it's an income code, and it's remembered that it's sales. So we click on save, close. So now again we're owed £10,000, and this time the client is going to pay us £5,000. So they're paying us half now and half later. So you highlight the invoice, click on receive, and this time it's come up with 10,000. That's what it's expecting to receive, but we're going to just put in £5,000. And this time you can either choose part payment, which is this case, or discount of 50%. We're going to put in part payment, and we're going to tell it to do not add to the previous receipt. Click on save, and that's entered there. A useful report for our customers can be found if you press display and then age analysis. You select which which ledger it is, so if it's a customer ledger, click on OK. We've only got one listed there, but if we had a number of debtors, people owing us money, you'd have a list there, and then it would tell us how old the debt is. So you could have a breakdown to see whether or not people have been owing you money for a long time.